Okay, I'm going to explain to you how to do unit conversions with time, which means you probably have multiple conversions to do. So let's just make up a problem. Let's say we're going to convert, it's usually a rate. So how about we are going to convert 5 meters per second to, how about we do centimeters per hour. And this might be a big number. We'll see how it goes, okay? So first thing I'm going to go do is I'm going to make some conversion factors. So I know I have to go from seconds to minutes and then from minutes to hours. So I'm going to write 60 seconds equals 1 minute, and I will use that in my table here. And then I can say 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So that'll be my time conversion. I'll need both of those here in just a minute. And now I'm seeing that I have to go from meters to centimeters. So I go get my conversion table, which you can look up on Google, or it might be on the slide here. And if I look at centimeters to meters, here's what I get. 0.01 meters equals 1 centimeter. So now I have everything to do this conversion. The biggest mistake folks made is when it says 5 meters per second, that means the seconds is on the bottom. That little division bar there that is per, that means that the seconds are going to go on the bottom. So if I set up my table, I'll do the first one. It's 5 meters, and then I put my seconds on the bottom. You can write it as S or SEC, however you want to do it. So let's convert the time first. We're trying to get to hours. So I see that I have seconds, so I'm going to use this conversion factor first. And I want to cancel out the seconds. So I'm going to put that on top, 60 seconds. I put it on top because I want the seconds to be able to cancel out. Don't put 1 minute on top, then I can't cancel the seconds out. It's really important that you put the units when you write this. Don't be lazy and just put numbers in there. You don't know which way to put it unless you use the units so you can see what crosses off diagonally or top and bottom. So then I use my 1 minute right here. So now I've used this conversion factor. So now I do it again because I need to get to hours. So I'm going to use this one this time. Again, I want my minutes to cross off, right? So I'll put my 60 minutes on top and my 1 hour on bottom. Again, if you flip these over, it won't be able to cancel out the minutes. So think about it before you put it on there. Which one goes on top, which one goes on bottom. Make sure you write the units. All right, so now I've done my time. All we need to do now is finish up with units. So 0.01 meters is 1 centimeter. So I'll cross off my meters. And look, when I get to the end, I'm going to have centimeters on top and hours on the bottom, right? You might write it like this, centimeters per hour, something like that. And now all I have to do is the math. And so it's 5 times 60 times 60 on top. And then the only thing I'm dividing by, I can divide by 1 on the bottom, but that's not going to do anything. The only thing that's going to make a difference is to divide by the 0.01 meters. And here's what I get. It's a big number. It's 1, and I'll put it in scientific notation, 1.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 10 to the 6. And let me move this over here. So times 10 to the 6, right? If you did it in your calculator, it's this. It's 18 with 5 zeros on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. All right? If you need to watch it again, go take a look at it again. There are lots of these unit conversions on YouTube if you just look it up.